Sri Sairam. Welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes, Class 7, State Syllabus, Second Language English. Today's poem is Why God Made Teachers. In this class, we will discuss question and answers. First one, check your understanding. Answer the following in a word, phrase, or a sentence each. First question, whom does the word his refer to in the poem? Why does it begin with a capital H? So the answer is his refers to God and it is written with a capital letter since God created the whole world and he is loved. To show the respect, they have mentioned capital letter. What do we become after discovering the beauty and wonder of this world? So what do we become? So after learning so many things, after understanding our world, we will make it in a better way, right? So we will lead our life happily and also we will discover so many things and we will invent so many machines or whatever needy things. What quality would we develop when teachers guide us? So when teachers guide us, we develop many new skills to face the world. So teachers help us to improve like LSRW skills. In language you will develop these skills and also creative thinking, critical thinking and social skills like how to mingle with people and how to share your things. So everything they will help you to understand and improve your skills. And problem solving skills also. So how will you face your problem? So if you find any problem, so you will find out the correct solution. For that also teachers will help you. The right way in which to grow. So in this world so many professions are there, so they will help you to choose your own like what you are interested in that. So they will bring out your best and they will start focusing to improve in that. Next, how to lead and how to live a better life. So they will help us. So what is right, what is wrong, how to lead a life. So they will give you moral values and social skills so that you will lead your life happily. What is right instead of wrong. So to learn how to be strong. So they will teach us not only good things, they will teach us bad things also that we can avoid these things. To learn how to be strong. So they will give us so many assignments, activities, so many opportunities to make us strong. And also when we fail, they will stand with us, they will help us, they will encourage us and also they will motivate us until we reach our success. Next, what should we do for our world with the help of our teachers? So we should learn how to make our world a better, wiser place with the help of our teachers. So teachers will teach us like how to improve your knowledge or they will give us wisdom. So by using that wisdom, we will make our world better and wiser place. So we should not pollute anything. So whatever we are discovering, whatever we are inventing, it should be good for our society. We should not spoil anything. Next, discuss in your group and answer the sentence or two each. How do teachers help us by becoming our special friends? So here no groups and all there, but we can discuss these answers. So teachers help us understand God's word in an easy way by becoming our special friends. They also help us to become a better people. So we all know that. So whenever we have doubt, so it's very difficult to understand something. So teacher will help us. They will give us so many examples. They will connect the topic into real life experiences so that we can understand it in better way. And also they help us to become a better people. So after learning these things, we will not commit mistake, right? So we will become better people. How does God want teachers to guide us? God created teachers to show us the way. They guide us to choose or decide the right path. The teachers are special guides to everyone. So God created teachers to guide us. So what is right, what is wrong. Even parents are there, but always they can't help us, right? So they can't teach us everything what and all there in this world. So teachers will help us what and all there in this world, and how can we protect, and how can we avoid, like what are the things we should avoid. So everything they will teach us, so that we can decide the right path. So whatever we want to become, so if you want to become a computer engineer or doctor or any profession, you can, but you should do good things for others. You should help others who are all in need. Next, verb forms. So V1 is base form of the verb, V2 is past simple, and V3 is past participle. So we'll discuss. So first one, create, created, created. So God created this world, and also God created teachers to guide us, and also and they are our special friends, right? Next, understand, understood, understood. Become, became, become. Show, showed, shown. Next, give, gave, given. Learn, learnt, learnt. Make, made, made. Help, helped, helped. So if it is ends with ed or ed, that is regular verb. So which, if for example become, became, become, so it's not ends with ed, that is irregular, so we can't predict what comes next. So try to make sentences. So if you have any special memories with your favorite teachers, you just write and give it to them. They will feel proud of you. Thank you. Sairam.